Here's the torque sequence. Front of the engine, basically you go in center, out, front, center, back, front, then you work to the outside, same sequence, center, back. Then these ones out here are the outside girdle bolts. Those are the ones that are not reusable, that you have to get the new ones because they're torque to yield. Torque sequence for V8s, main bearing caps, bolts 1 through 10, which are the center ones, are 15 foot-pounds, and then you're going to go an additional 80. 15 foot-pounds for 11 through 20, which are the studs, 15 with an additional 51 degrees. And then 21 through 30, which are those torque to yields, are just 18 foot-pounds. So everything's basically getting 15 to start with, and then the inner ones are getting an additional 80 degrees, and the outer ones are getting an additional 50. So, hand you that, hold it sideways. I've got these inners to 15, so you just use your angle meter, hold it, and I'm going to go to 80, which is right there. I usually try to do it in 2 or 3 passes. 30, 60, and there's 80 right there, 80 degrees. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These inner ones all get 15 and then 80. Outer ones all get 15 and then 51. These outside right here, those are the small torque to yield. Those just get 18 and they don't get any additional degrees, just 18. So that's how I'm going to bolt in the main bearing caps. So that's it. Another thing, now that I've done this one, it had these all have the 15 to begin with. I just did the 80. A good thing to do in case you get called away, you go to eat dinner, or somebody shows up, or a phone call. Once you know that you've torqued it, that way you know where you leave off and you come back to the sequence. You see this one's been done, so the next one in line. And then when that one's done, I'm going to torque it so that if I have to walk away, come back and you don't end up torquing something a second time and over torquing something. It's just a good reminder. And then also, if anybody else ever comes back in and has to do work, you know, they know that they can look and see if by chance you're one of the ones that does this. If I were to forget something and not do this, they can go back and they can check and see if the torque is on there properly.